Hi, Goddess of Love here. Kamusta kayo dyan again, mga goddess ko? So, ngayon, tingnan natin kung may message ba sa inyo ang inyong person and si universe, kung anong message nila for you. For the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. So, anong message ni person sa inyo? Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Let's pick a two cards for the fire signs. Anong message ni person sa inyo? So, eto, message ni person, immature, so what? And sex workers, fun. So, maybe baka wala na kayo na tong person na to, no? Baka ito yung na-discover mo sa person mo, no, before. So, take what's resonate. So, ito ang message niya or ito ang nakita mo sa person mo, right? So, immature. So, what daw? Parang wala siyang pakialam kung immature siya. So, sinasabi rin niya dito, sex workers are fun. So, yun. So, napaka-immature ng person mo. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, that's it. Kung sino lang pong makaka-resonate dito sa merong ganitong person, right? So, medyo parang red flag talaga yung person nyo, no? So, let's see. Message naman ni universe sa inyo, fire signs. Let's pick a two cards. So, speaker, truth, advisor, trust. What is this? Trustworthy, reliable. So, sinasabi sa inyo dito ni universe, ano daw kayo, trustworthy daw kayo na tao, fire signs. Maybe you are an advisor, di ba? Reliable din kayong tao. So, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang ganyan yung character, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, di ba? Pagiging totoo nyo, tuloy-tuloy nyo na lang yan. Tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yan. And then, doors will be opening. Be open to receive. So, there is a blessings coming for you, fire sign, sabi ni universe. So, claim it, mga fire sign. Ang ang message sa inyo ni universe, di ba? Blessing will be coming on your way. Doors are opening for you, fire sign. So, that's a good message aside lang dun sa message ni person mo. So, disregard nyo na lang yung ganun na red flag message, right? So, that's it. So, good luck sa inyo, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe sa ating channel. And God bless you all. So, that's it. Thank you.